What if your piggy bank was full of coins, but every coin had a tiny rule taped to it? One coin says, only for Legos. One says, only for bike tires. One says, only for your cousin. Then your lunch lady says, that's nice, but you still owe me for lunch. That is basically Oregon's road money problem. ODOT, the Oregon Department of Transportation, does have money, but a lot of it is locked into specific uses. So ODOT might have money for a big construction project, but not enough flexible money for boring, everyday work. Stuff like filling potholes, plowing snow, fixing bridges, cleaning up crashes, keeping rest areas open, staffing DMV offices, and making sure your license appointment does not feel like waiting for a glacier to finish loading. Imagine Oregon owns a giant lemonade stand called Road Town. Road Town has highways, bridges, snowplows, signs, rest areas, and one tiny DMV booth where everyone slowly loses hope. To pay for Road Town, Oregon collects money from drivers, gas taxes, registration fees, title fees, and truck taxes. Sounds simple, right? People use roads, people pay road money. Roads get fixed. Bob's your uncle. Except Bob is not your uncle. Bob is a government accountant with 6 binders and a very serious spreadsheet. Problem 1. Not all road money can be used for all road jobs. Some money is for highways. Some has to be shared with cities and counties. Some federal money is mostly for building projects, not daily maintenance. Some money is already promised to debt from older projects. So ODOT can look at the money jar and say, great, we have coins. But the rules say, yes, but not for that pothole. Problem 2. Oregon depends a lot on gas taxes and vehicle fees. But cars use less gas now. Some cars use no gas. And the gas tax does not automatically grow every year with inflation. So the road chores get more expensive, but the money does not keep up. Asphalt costs more. Steel costs more. Concrete costs more. Snow plows cost more. Workers cost more. Even orange cones somehow entered their luxury era. It is like running a lemonade stand where lemons used to cost $0.25, but now that quarter buys half a lemon and one sad sugar packet. Meanwhile, roads do not stop cracking. Snow does not fall cheaper. Bridges do not age politely. Problem 3. Some money is for shiny new things, not taking care of old things. Imagine Grandma gives you $50 and says, you may buy a new bike. Great, but your old bike has flat tires, rusty brakes, and a raccoon living in the basket. You ask, can I use the money to fix my bike? Grandma says, nope, new bike only. That is how some transportation funding works. Project money can help build things, but basic maintenance and operations are different. So ODOT can have a big total budget and still struggle to pay for maintenance crews, DMV staffing, rest areas, snow plows, and quick repairs. Problem 4. Oregon has a giant road chore list. Thousands of miles of pavement, thousands of bridges, winter storms, landslides, flooding, crashes, signals, rest areas, signs, culverts, rock falls, and potholes. So many potholes. When maintenance money runs short, normal people feel it. Roads get rougher. Bridges can get weight limits. Snow plowing can get slower. Crash cleanup can take longer. DMV lines can get worse. Rest areas can close. So this is not just a boring budget problem. It becomes a normal life problem. Now, here is the part people often misunderstand. They hear, ODOT has a huge budget. Then they hear, ODOT is short on money. And they say, wait, how can both be true? Because not all money is the same. A toy store gift card does not buy groceries. A playground coupon does not pay the janitor. And construction money does not automatically pay a snowplow driver at 3 in the morning. In 2026, Oregon patched a major ODOT maintenance and operations shortfall. The temporary fix helped prevent big layoffs and deep service cuts, but it was not permanent. It was like finding coins in the couch to pay today's bill. Helpful? Yes. Fixed forever? No. That is the difference between repairing the leak and putting a bucket under it. So here is the simple version. ODOT depends on gas taxes and driver fees that are not keeping up with costs. A lot of transportation money is locked by rules, and basic road work keeps getting more expensive. That is why Oregon can have transportation money overall, but still struggle to pay for basic maintenance and operations. It is not just a money problem. It is a rules problem, a cost problem, and a trust problem. If this helped make a boring government topic finally make sense, like the video, subscribe, and send me another complicated topic to explain with crayons.